Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a login form in Google Forms. This is a straightforward way to collect user credentials. If you're setting up a basic sign-in system or gathering login information for a project, let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once you arrive at the page, you'll need to log in with your Google account credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want this form to be stored, as it will save directly to your Google Drive. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Google Forms homepage where you can see any previously created forms or start fresh. Now look for the option to create a new form. You'll see a blank form template, typically represented by a colorful plus icon or a card that says blank. Go ahead and click on blank form. This opens up a completely empty form canvas where you can start building your login form from scratch. Google Forms will automatically give it a default title like Untitled Form, which you can change later if needed. Once your blank form opens, you'll notice the first question field is already set up for you. However, we need to adjust the question type. Click on the drop-down menu that likely says multiple choice by default. From the list of options that appears, select short answer. This format is perfect for collecting single-line text responses like email addresses or usernames. Next, click on the text that says Untitled Question at the top of the question box. Replace it by typing email address or username. This makes it clear to anyone filling out your form exactly what information you're requesting. Short answer fields work well here because they provide a simple text box for users to type in their credentials. Now it's time to add another question for the password field. Look for the plus icon on the right side of your screen, usually floating in a vertical toolbar. Click the plus icon to add a new question to your form. This creates a second question field below your first one. Just like before, you'll need to adjust the question type for this new field. Click on the drop-down menu and select short answer again. This ensures the password field also allows for single-line text entry, which is exactly what we need for password input. Finally, click on the question field where it says Untitled Question and type password. This labels your second field appropriately so users know they should enter their password here. And that's it. You've successfully created a basic login form in Google Forms with fields for both username and password. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.